In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your CJ Dropshipping account with your Wix store. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully synchronized setup ready for efficiently managing your products and orders from a single dashboard. This straightforward process will help streamline your e-commerce operations, saving you time and effort. So, let's jump right in and get started. Begin by logging into your CJ Dropshipping account. Once you're in, navigate to the main dashboard. This is your command center for managing all your dropshipping needs, from products to orders and everything in between. Now let's focus on integrating with Wix. Next, you'll want to locate the integration section. Typically, it's on the left-hand side menu of your dashboard. Go ahead and click on that. This section is quite useful as it allows you to connect CJ Dropshipping with various e-commerce platforms. But for today, we'll focus specifically on Wix. Now, when you're in the integrations area, scroll through the options until you find Wix. Once you see it, click on it to initiate the connection process. This step is crucial as it helps link your Wix store directly with CJ Dropshipping, facilitating a smooth workflow across your platforms. This way, you'll be prepared to manage everything without switching between multiple sites or dealing with separate inventories. After selecting Wix, you'll need to follow the prompts to connect your account. This generally involves logging into your Wix account through the CJ Dropshipping interface. Be sure to have your Wix credentials handy to expedite this part of the process. A small reminder, always ensure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one store or have multiple Wix logins. Once connected, it's time to sync your products. This synchronization is a pivotal step that ensures your product listings on CJ Dropshipping are accurately reflected in your Wix store. By doing so, you'll have all your information aligned, from pricing to inventory levels, reducing the risk of overselling or any discrepancies between platforms. Take a moment here to think about which products you want to sync. You can choose to synchronize all available products or just a select few that align with your current business goals. Having clarity on what you want in your store will make this process more straightforward and tailored to your needs. With your preferences in mind, proceed to start the sync. Depending on the size of your inventory, this might take a little time, so it's a good chance to review any other aspects of your store setup or to make notes on anything else you might need to tweak after the integration is complete. And there you have it. Your CJ Dropshipping account is now successfully integrated and synced with your Wix store. From here on out, managing your dropshipping business will be that much easier. By keeping everything in one place, you'll be able to focus on growing your business rather than getting bogged down by administrative tasks. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for more e-commerce tips and tricks. Happy selling? Happy